Good afternoon, my name is Diana Eslin with Guaranty RV Supercenters. I'm super happy to tell you about our Catalina Trail Blazer made by Coachmen. This is a toy hauler, it's a 2020. The model number is a 19TH. So let's show you here, we have a couple propane tanks here ready to go for your trip. We have a powered tongue jack and it has a light here. This is the place for your batteries, brand new batteries, and we have the toy lock system so you can lock your toys up at night. So we have a little cargo space here, crawl through with a 30 amp service, power awnings. We also have the outdoor marine grade speakers, and this is our cable outlet and our 110 outlet so you can watch TV outside if you want. We've got a couple solid steps here, really cute. This has the Catalina Starlight system, which has LED lighting throughout. It also has an LED bar underneath that lights the whole coach up at night. It looks really cool. It lights up blue. Really neat. So this is a big cargo door. Get ready for all your toys. Also makes into a patio. We have another cable satellite output, your exterior shower, freshwater connection, city connection, and your black water tank flush. And this is where you plug in your rig when you're camping at home or in a park. This is your water heater, and this is the other side of the crawl through storage here. The weight on this one is only 7,000 GVWR. So it's a nice little trailer for a lot of folks that want to go take a couple small toys, motorcycles or a quad. Let's come on in here. Let's check it out inside. I'm real excited about it. 19TH. So we come here with it has the patio kit. This folds down. This has some netting up here for your goodies. This is where your toys go, your motorcycles. It would be great for Harleys and all kinds of motorcycles. We have a Sanyo flat screen TV with your Furrion DVD player. It also has a USB port and Bluetooth so you can play your own music with your speakers. 3-burner Furrion stove, which is really nice, with a cute little oven. You guys can make some cookies when you're out on your trips. We have a residential faucet, stainless steel with double sink with covers so you can use this for counter space if you need. We also have some overhead storage, 3 overhead storage here. This is a full-size bed, east-west bed with cabinetry above the bed. Some nice deep storage here for your coats and a place here to put some things next to the bed. So now we have here the bathroom, which is very cute. It has actually a little tub and it will fit a nice tall person. They put a skylight right over the shower, which is really nice. So this is a very cute little rig. I'm really liking this series. It's a very popular series. It's a great way to get out, start enjoying taking your toys out. It's summertime. Let's do it. Come on. Thank you for shopping at Guaranty. We'll make a good deal on these Catalinas. Thank you.